Welcome to another Joosup how-to video guide. If you haven't already, you can download our EV charger sharing app from the App Store and Google Play stores completely free. And remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell to stay informed when we publish new content. So when you're ready, let's dive into today's tutorial. If you have a charging session booked in your Joosup account, starting the session is very straightforward. All booked sessions should display in both the main dashboard and the calendar view. Whether you're the host or the Evo, it's very clear to see when and where bookings have been made. Assuming your booking is due to start shortly, you should receive alerts reminding you that the booking is due to commence imminently. As you can see in the dashboard, there is a charging session booking due to start. So assuming you've arrived at the host location and parked, let's go ahead and start the session. When you're ready to start your charging session, press the Start Session button displayed in the main dashboard. On the next screen, you'll be reminded that you now have to pay for your charging session before starting. Assuming you are ready to pay, press the Pay to Start Session button shown. The next screen should display the total due to be paid to the host. For this booking, we need to pay the host £6 to cover the 2 hours of electrified parking time booked. So next you must press the Proceed with Payment button to continue. On the next screen, you'll be presented with options to pay using either PayPal or a debit or credit card. Choose the option most suitable to you and then press the appropriate button to continue. If using PayPal, you'll be asked to log into your account before proceeding. Enter your registered PayPal email address and password to log in, then follow the on-screen instructions to pay. Finally, check all the details on screen are correct and then hit the Complete Purchase button to pay for the session. If your payment is successful, you will see an on-screen message confirming this. Finally, press the Go Back to the App button and your charging session should commence. The Joosup app will confirm that your payment was successful and will remind you to ensure your vehicle is plugged into the charge point with a working electricity supply. Simply close this message by pressing the button on screen, then you will see your active session in progress from the dashboard view. You can also see the session in progress by pressing the Active Session button displayed in the main dashboard. So assuming your EV is charging as expected, you can now go and enjoy your day and return to your vehicle later on. When your charging session gets close to ending, Joosup will send you a reminder. At this stage, you have the option to either finish the session as originally planned, or if you need more parking and charging time, you can request an extension from the host. Simply press the Extension Request button, choose the extra amount of time that you need, and then send the request to the host. If they accept, you will have to pay for the additional time required. And if they refuse the extension, you must unplug your vehicle at the originally scheduled end time and exit promptly. Finally, once the session has ended, feel free to leave a rating score and some feedback about your experience at the host location. This will greatly help other users of the app make informed choices about chargers they book. It also encourages a positive user experience and good behaviour amongst the Joosup community. And that's it. You've completed the charging session using Joosup.